How to hide my Snapchat score. So today in this video you will be able to know how can you hide your Snapchat score. But before that, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your Snapchat application and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see your profile at the left upper corner. As the first step, you just have to tap on your profile over here. After that, you'll be able to see your profile and you have to go for your settings option at the right upper corner where all of your settings will be available. You just have to scroll a little bit. We'll be able to see contact option under privacy control. Go for contact me, and here if you have set it to everyone, you have to switch it to friends. By doing that, only your friends will be able to contact you, and also they will be able to see your profile and the score on your profile. Here you need to know that there is no any option or the update on Snapchat to hide the score directly, but you can manage the privacy like this and only a specific person will be able to see your score. Or there's also another way. If you don't want any of the friends to see your score, then you just can remove them. For that, you just have to go back and you have to tap on the search section and you just have to open up the person's profile. And you have to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line at the right upper corner and you just have to go for manage friendship and you have to tap on remove friend on and the friend will be removed. And by doing that, this friend won't be able to see your score or the informations on your profile. So this is the trick and this is how you do. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.